Hi folks, it's me Hristo, and today I'm showing you another video with my drone DJI Mini 4K that I recently purchased. And first of all, this is not paid advertising of this brand of drones. I'm just very happy with it, and I would like to give you advice if you're beginning. This is one of the good models of the DJI for beginners. Some problems that occurred when beginning to use a drone is these different light effects that occur when you put the camera against the sun, or depending on what angle you turn the camera, the light effects are a little bit annoying. Also, sometimes it gets very dark picture and video, but I understood from a Facebook group that this should, for me, meaning to research a little bit more for ISO and for the positioning of the camera and some similar things. I also chose this drone thanks to the Grok 3 AI on Twitter. You know, you watch this on TikTok, but also I'm gonna make it for YouTube. So I don't know where you watch this video, but if you have questions about this drone or about my experience with drones overall, please comment below what you think about it or what you want to know. And here you see the land of my family. I like the effect of the camera of the drone when I turn it and getting it down at the same time. And you can see the plot where I'll build my Eco Cob house. And I love this area. It's full of different types of trees with different greenery, different colors of green. It's absolutely amazing and stunning for me how amazing the 4K camera of the drone is making it look like as if we are actually there. You see me here on the plot where I'm digging the trench for the Cob house. Actually, this is the Cob Workshop. This is going to be the first phase. Those of you who don't know about my project, just wanted to share with you. This year I begin building the workshop with the hope to until late autumn to finish the workshop about 5 by 5 meters for my future studio for ExiArts, my arts and crafts brand. And if I'm fortunate enough, next spring and summer we will begin and probably finish also the house part. This is going to be phase 2 of the project. Well, the video is about to end, so my voiceover will end also. And thanks for watching, people. Thanks you for the support online.